what goes on after an investor purchases a house. So right here I'm standing at the newest acquisition. It's 201 North First Street over in Bethpage. This right now is a 3-bed, 2-bath house that has been completely basically trashed for years and years to come. Holes in the roof, ceiling, has everything falling down. Basically everything needs to be completely remodeled and gutted. This house was purchased for $400,000 on a short sale. And now the investor is going to basically add a full dormer upstairs, turn this from a 3-bed, 2-bath to a 5-bedroom, 4-bath house, and turn it into an absolute monster of a home. The first step you have to do to be able to take this 1-floor house and turn it into a 2-story home is you have to go get plans drawn up with an architect, file for your permits, and get them approved. All new electric, all new plumbing, all new wiring. Everything is basically going to be knocked down to the foundation, and you're going to have a full finished basement. All the way up is going to be brand new. Everything all the way around, windows, siding, you name it, will be brand new. So stay tuned for the next one. See you there.